So good day everyone. So our topic for today is sample problems for gear design. So number one, a pinion is designed with 30 feet and a module or meter of 5 millimeter. Calculate the pitch circle diameter, which is D, and the pitch circle radius, which is R, of the pinion. So our given is N up to is 30, itong M is 5 millimeter. So itong required natin kung is diameter sa D and the radius of R. So solution. Sa A na to, natin formula na D equals M times M. Yes, ito yung lagi ng atong mga value na M na to na 5 mm, ang atong N is 30. So we have derivatives. So we have D is equals to 150 mm. So atong D is R is equals to 1/2 times D. So we have 1/2 times 150 mm. Natin R na 75 mm. So atong number 2 na problem is 2 spar gears which have a module of 4 mm. The pinion has 30-40 and the gear has 50-60. So calculate the required center distance between the two shafts to ensure proper meshing. So if the given of M is equals to 4 mm, ang atong MP is 24, ang atong NG is 556. So required to collect is ang center distance. So solution 3dP is equals to M times 8P. So we have a 4 mm and 24 times 24, we have a DP of 96 mm. So sunod na count is DG. So DG na to is M times NG. So natay M na 4 mm na atong NG is 556. So we have a DG of 224 mm. So ba na sa center distance? So we have a center distance na formula na DP plus DG over 2. Ito yung lagyan ang DP and DG na DP na 96 plus 224 na DG mm over 2. So atong is 160 mm. So that's all.